after reports that Huawei is working overtime to be the first smartphone maker to bring a truly foldable smartphone. Samsung could have every reason to speed up the production of its flexible handset. In an interview, the CEO of Samsung's mobile division confirmed that the company is looking to introduce its first folding Galaxy as early as this year. The company reportedly conducted a survey in which it asked consumers if they wanted a foldable smartphone, and the responses were positive. So here is another reason. This statement contradicts initial rumors that a collapsible Galaxy will be announced early next year, but conforms to the production schedule of folding OLEDs. Ko did not reveal anything specific about the device. He just said that the Samsung Developers Conference 2018, which is scheduled for November 7th and 8th in San Francisco, could be when the announcement takes place. In addition, Ko promised that the device will have additional functions when it is deployed, so it can give a reason for the first users to buy it. Earlier this year, a promise was made that it will not be a trick, but a real end product.